All right, hello friends, how you doing? Day 468. Hope you're doing amazing on this Monday, start to your week. It's a little rainy here in Vancouver, but I hope it is beautiful where you are at. Anyways, coming in today to share and to celebrate Pi Day. Yes, today is March 14th, 2022. And what is pi? Well, pi is a mathematical what do you call it? Mathematical term that is signified by 3.14, typically shortened. It's actually, what is pi? Pi is actually it's written as a Greek letter for p, and I don't know, I just outlined it, but I think most people know if you've gone through educational system. Essentially, it's the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle. Okay, so regardless of how big or small that circle is, the ratio always equals pi. And so in decimal form, it is, like I said, it's 3.14. So for those who don't know, my major was actually in math. So there's a little bit of a nerd side to me for sure. Oh, hold on. Let me really get into this one. All right, gotta get my glasses on. What's up, people? I can see clearly now. The rain has come. Actually, I can see a little bit clearer. However, I do actually need to get my eyes checked again. Okay, so what is Pi Day? And so I looked it up, and oh my gosh, it's actually a national holiday. Can you believe that? And so the first Pi Day was actually celebrated in 1988 in California, specifically San Francisco. It was organized by a physicist named Larry Shaw, and of course they celebrated by eating pie and marching around in circles. Okay, and so in 2009 is when the U.S. House of Reps actually designated it as a national holiday. So pie, pizza, right? Or actual pies in a bakery and what have you. And so how do people celebrate? So I just shared with you what they did, but you can also just grab your favorite pie or pizza on Pi Day. The key thing is it has to be, in the shape of a circle. And so the interesting is there are actually lots of different bakeries or places that actually offer deals on Pi Day. You can just look it up online. There's lots of different ones. One that I found was, for example, Whole Foods Market. On March 14th, right, Amazon Prime members, they can take $3.14 off any cherry or apple pie from the bakery, 8 inches or larger. And so there's lots of other deals as well. Again, depending on what area you're at, just go online, look, and I'm sure you can find something. And so, when I was younger, I was a little bit of a nerd, if you will, when it came to my studies. And so I was always good at math. I actually started in grade 2. I did one grade higher in math, and no, I don't know now. I could have actually done 2 or 3 grades, but I just did 1, which was fine. I was very grateful for the opportunity, because I like to be challenged, and stimulated mentally, intellectually, academically, all that stuff. It's been a while though, but when I was younger, I thrived on it. I loved it. And so I challenged myself to try and memorize as many digits of pi as possible. And for those who don't know, pi is an irrational number, meaning it has an infinite amount of decimals. It never stops. And so I think I memorized up to like 10 or 11 digits. I'm trying to remember now. What I remember is 3.1415926535. And then there's a few more that I kind of remember. 233 979, something like that. Anyways, I think I memorized up to like 10 or 11 or 12 digits. And why? It's just because. There's no real reason. So it didn't help me in any way, shape, or form. It's just the nerd inside of me. And so apparently Swiss researchers at the University of Applied Sciences they claimed a new world record for calculating the number of digits of pi, and it now has been able to calculate up to 62.8 trillion decimal points. 62.8 trillion. Oh my gosh. And again, it's an irrational number, meaning it has an infinite number of decimal points, which means it never stops. But for people, for the research to get to 62.8 trillion, oh my gosh, what are they doing with the time? I don't know. I don't know. Are they just doing it just for fun? Like, obviously, there's no money that can be made off of it. So I don't know. Where are our dollars going to, my friends? Makes me wonder sometimes what we put money towards, research-wise. However, one last tidbit I was going to share with you. So actually every year on this day, or I'm sure even before, the official Pi Day, that there have been competitions for people to recite the actual pi, right, up to as many digits as they can memorize. And so the current record holder, his name is he's from Japan. I think it's a he. Let's see, in 1989. Oh, never mind. Okay, so 1989, Japan's Hideki Tomoyori recited 40,000 digits. Holy crikey, that's a lot. However, in 2005, which is the current Guinness World Record holder, is held by China's Lu Chao. And I'm assuming it's a he. He recited 67,890 digits of pi. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know how he can remember that many, but at the same time, why? Why would you spend so much time memorizing that much? But hey, no judgments. I'm just wondering, there's so much he can do. Hopefully he did other stuff while he did that as well, but wow. 67,890 digits. That's freaking amazing. Bravo. Bravo, my friend. Lu Chao. Anyway, my friends, I just want to come in and share with you a little tidbit on Pi Day. And yeah, if you got a nerd side or a geeky side inside of you, hats off. Cheers. Anyway, that's all I got to share tonight. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.